Hi, this is the Food Whisperer and welcome to my channel. And please, show your support by hitting the subscription button below. Is it hot where you live right now? Here in Korea, not only is it hot, but the whole peninsula is currently suffering under a heat wave. And with such a change in the weather, our attention turns naturally to all things cool and refreshing, and that includes, of course, what we eat. As such, I want to show you in today's upload how to create refreshing cold soba noodles quickly in just minutes, but with a secret ingredient that will make it seem like you have been slaving away in the kitchen. But first, let me show you the instant noodles that we will be using to make our Korean soba. This particular one that you see here is from a company called Pulmuon. It is made from buckwheat flour and is a family favorite, and of course, any brand can be used as long as it is similar. As you can see here, the buckwheat noodles comes with 2 packs, a liquid pack and a powder one. As usual, please follow the instructions when it comes to the amount of water to use and the length of cooking time. As the noodles cook in the boiling water, it is time to make the cold dipping sauce for the soba. Follow the instructions on the back of the packaging and add the liquid and powder packs to the required amount of cold water and mix well. And this is where we add the secret ingredient. It is none other than oroshi sauce, which is widely available either in your favorite supermarket or online. Do try to get one with all natural ingredients if you can. Add just a tablespoon of this delicious sauce, consisting largely of grated radish and soy sauce, to the cold dipping sauce. You can add more, but please be mindful of not making the dipping sauce overly salty, or you could end up ruining the refreshing nature of this dish. I personally prefer my dipping sauce to be extra cold, and so I would recommend adding some ice and swirling it in the bowl to make the sauce even colder, as you see me doing here. Now let's turn our attention back to the soba noodles. After turning off the heat, drain the water completely and rinse the soba noodles in cold water using a colander. Afterwards, place the noodles on a serving plate. Don't worry if the noodles are not very cool to the touch, as they will be dipped in the sauce before slurping them into your mouth. Completely optional, but if you have some unsalted dried seaweed in the kitchen, you may want to cut them up in strips, as I'm doing here, and place them on top of the soba noodles. And if you want to spice it up a bit, add some wasabi as well. It is completely up to you regarding the amount to add. These noodles, together with the delicious dipping sauce, are hard to beat on a hot summer day. I hope that you will give this a try and enjoy them as much as my family and I do. And please, do not forget to slurp as you consume the noodles. This is the Food Whisperer. Thank you for watching and wishing you good food and good company until we meet again.